It's almost 15 years I've been using Excel into my day-to-day life, into training, into coaching, and many different places. But today I'll be showing you some interesting feature, which is very, very interesting. And it is one of my favorite feature of creating a dashboard without using button clicks. In 10 minutes, you can create a dashboard with this kind of data and by just one single prompt. No need of any technical knowledge, no formula, no pivot table, no VLOOKUP, no Power Query, nothing required. Just one single prompt and you get a beautiful dashboard in less than 10 minutes. Let's begin in detail. So let's begin. The data, if you see on the screen, is in the sales data sheet. Now this data contains 17 columns at the bottom, and this is the information about sales and profit and customer, all the information here. We have the last four columns as sales, quantity, discount, profit. We have the dates, order date, shipping date, the country name and the city name, the category and the subcategory. Now, let's say if I want to analyze this data, I can do it manually by creating some dashboards and reports. But today I'll go to the Home tab and click on this Copilot option. Now this window appears. There are the tools option which is given here, and this comes as the agent mode. Now remember, this is a paid version of Copilot. Even if you have purchased the Excel license, this Copilot license will come separately. So you have to pay charges for that as well. So right now I'll just select the option as agent mode, and here I can just paste the prompt. Now this prompt is something which I have created with the help of ChatGPT. So I've asked them to create a new worksheet and build a fully interactive executive sales dashboard using table 1. Now the name of this table is table 1 from the sales data sheet. Include 10 plus visuals with pivot table, pivot chart, slices and everything. And at the bottom I've asked them, I want you to show year on year growth, AOV plus concise executive insights for decision making. All these details I've mentioned, and I can just click on send. That's it. Now what will happen is it will take some time, approximately 10 minutes, and then it will give me an interactive dashboard in the new sheet. Let's wait and watch till it gets completed. Now finally it took around 10 minutes and it has given some output. Let me close this dialog box, and you can see when I scroll down it has created all type of numbers. Okay, let me minimize the screen size here, and you can see yearly performance analysis, category performance, segment, shipping mode, subcategory performance. If I scroll down you can see different visuals are visible one by one. So that's a bar chart, pie chart, line chart, different charts are visible here. Again, when I scroll down, this is important, executive insights and recommendations. So for revenue performance, it has given some insights. Okay, consumer segment accounts for 50% of total sales. It says limit discounts to 20% to protect profitability. It's guiding us. So strategic recommendations, profitability insights. Again, if I scroll down, what are the growth opportunities, risk areas to monitor, and also key metrics summary. Growth opportunities, risk areas to monitor, and key metrics summary. So when I scroll down, it has created. Again, when I go on the top and on the right hand side as well, it has created some different type of pivot tables which are interesting. So this is something which has been automated, and with the help of Copilot agent mode, it has created independently without any help required. I hope you have understood. That's all for this video.